The 11th Foundation Day of the Sunshine English Medium School in the remote Debipur area of Santirvaja subdivision was celebrated today with an enthusiastic program held at the Debipur Community Hall. Chief guest Minister Suklachara Nuatia called for a collective efforts to improve educational standards.
Yes, please wave your hand, everyone.
Minister Suklachara Nuatia addressed the gathering of teachers, parents and students, emphasizing that everyone must take a significant role in improving the quality of education in society. The function saw the presence of several key community leaders and officials including Konoram Riyang, General Secretary of the Bru Sangrama Motha Social Organization, Aman Joy Riyang, Executive Engineer of the PWDTT AIDC, Harindra Riyang, Chairman of the Sunshine English Medium School. The Debipur Village Chairman, teachers and other distinguished guests were also present.
Bini background na sumjari nahor kam kai nathi. Bini kichu gurui. Baba initiative namani. Welcome step bini buku kisem kanaka. Tamo reason three boy o school na establish kaya. Bini motive. Ja ane society jara remote area tongnai jara uneducated family jara needy family borok na babai ke kaisa few amount by ba few cost by borok na educated namna ne bagai borona sikito khaina ne bagai tini bini na harmo ang kobong nai sini jara parents tongnai abo high school kaisa ran thaina ni that is abo easily easy method 160 student ne bini liability bini responsibility abo owner of school ni founder ekba owner of school ni chairman और एक career नो bright future खाने बागे budget education दुबई सामान ताकि करना अब अच्छे parents तो मैं जो नॉर्म कहीं नो जरा जरा वैसे नहीं कैसे school ने fee जो I think every student ने बोले exact कैसा particular amount दो fix yearly बा monthly अब है ट्राई collection पैसा बोला Marka gagai then every final some time it is single joto mansa fulfill finally some parents ko matai tokna
Reported by Bikram from Santirvaja Chinikhorang.
We shall wave our hand